Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Joni from Joni's Doll Photography and Karen from Starts and Stitches, we are doing a collab with our mini Julies, and it's anything 1970. I made this little outfit, and it is one as I wore back in the 70s. I spent my teen years in the 70s. I think I turned 13 in 69. Shoot, I can't get her little arm in. It fits. She's already had it on. I like the elastic tight at the top of the arm. This is an outfit I would have made for myself. I did make for myself. In the 70s, our pants were we had hip huggers, and they were so tight across here down to the knees that we laid on our beds and arched our backs so that we could snap them up. Let me get her snapped up in the back because that's how I made these. Let me turn her around, fix her little arms. I don't know how I ever swung up on a horse 15'2", hands high like that. We also had these belts. They were macrame. I just crocheted a chain stitch that we wore occasionally, usually through our pants loops. But I'm going to take Julie's and put it around here so you can see it. I put together a little house, and we only hooked it once, and we kept tightening it all day. I don't know why. Sometimes we did little slip knots. Anyway, I came up with some components, and I even made a little box. I painted the roof white and everything, thinking I was going to make a room for Julie, which did not work out with furniture. This Julie has on the original mini American Girl outfit. Where she got this necklace, I don't know, but it is really cute. She has her original everything. This is how she came. I haven't done anything with her. She has the hard body. This is an older Julie, and she has the soft body like the 18-inch dolls. I just wanted to show you the original outfit that these came in. They're just adorable. Crocheted vests were a thing. The peace sign was huge in the 70s. So let me show you what I put together. Oh, her shoes were missing. She had those, what do they call, Birchstock? Cork bottom. That's not really what we wore. Older people wore those. Some did. Those were more late 70s, I believe. I could be wrong on that. But no one I knew had those. And when in the 70s, I knew everybody. We were out and about. And anyway, so I'm going to move this because all the furniture's not going to fit anyway. But I wanted you to see that I tried. I bought this. It is adorable. It is the original American Girl miniature couch, probably for Julie. And I was going to go get Kit, but you know what? Let's just do two little Julies. How cute are they? Oh, God, that's so cute. I bought, I forgot that stuff over there. I'm going to have to get it. I got this rug. I was going to use it. It's a short nap, but this was to show shag carpet that we had in the 70s. And if you shift your foot and you touch the TV to turn it on, there was this big pop of static electricity. Darren made this adorable bed, of which I did not get the cover made for, but there is a collab coming up for wonderful ladies are going to be doing with miniature American Girl dolls and beds. I bought this disco ball for the corner. Honestly, in the 70s, I did not know one person that enjoyed disco. Not one. Maybe I was just in a different crowd. I just want to show you all the little components I bought. Aren't these adorable? I get these from my Blythe. These, I think this came from, I used to get them from eBay, but they've gone up on eBay. I think this was from AliExpress. I bought these. I thought they were adorable. Where did I get these? A doll show? I haven't been to a doll show. I don't know where I got them, to be honest. You know what? I bet Ayla sent these to me. Where did I get? Oh, no. We got these because I went through and picked out. Anyway, I picked these up at a flea market somewhere. Anyway, look at these little books. Are they adorable? Just adorable and odd, but okay. And cassette tapes were a thing. And you've heard the stories. 8 tracks and cassettes were a thing. And we would sit with our cassette players waiting for songs to come on the radio. And then we'd hurry, hit play or hit record and make our little tapes of our favorite music. These are a little big for her, but I wanted them anyway. I think they're kind of small for the 18-inch, but I wanted them anyway. I bought a few I was going to put around her room. That was fun. I bought her a little alarm clock. I bought her a little, what do you call it, end table for her bed. The thing I really liked that I had done was I made this beanbag chair. So this is my little beanbag chair and psychedelic couch and items that I bought for Julie. Hang on, I did buy a couple more. Let me grab those. I bought this yesterday, and when I got home and I started putting everything in my box, I needed a gigantic box, and I thought, well, that's not realistic for a child's bedroom. But I did get her an alarm clock and these open. I think that's so cute. Little cabinet. Look at this monies. I think that's a little big, but I just found it cute. And I took my fingernails, and I moved this around to make sure that it wasn't all one. So come back, and I will show you some of this stuff in another setup when we do the miniature bed collab. I really want to thank Joni and Karen today because they sure make collabs fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Join us on Thursday nights live. Darren and I are live at 6 p.m. Central. We have a good time. I think some people have a good time. Come and see if you would. And please subscribe.